Okay, we're gonna do a little unboxing here. This is a VEVOR. And it is a commercial sink. I need a place to wash my hand, wash tools up and stuff. So let's break this sucker open. Try and do this with one hand here. Let's see what we got. Standalone sink. That's a user manual. What do you do? Wash your hands. Get this box out. Put that on the table. And there's the sink. So let me pull the sink out real quick. Put it up here on the table. So that's all that's in the box. It's a big sink, so you can wash larger things in it. What if I can? There we go. It's a little better. So kind of get the gist of it. Let's see what comes in this box. This should be the faucet and the legs. Let's see. Owner user's manual. Shows the assembly there, tools needed. Maintenance and service. So that's the owner's manual. I'll throw that inside the sink. That is the crossbars for the sink. Some screws. I guess we can go ahead. Open this. I like this sink a lot, so I'm gonna use it. Those are some anchors to go inside the wall. That is probably what goes against the wall you're gonna put it on, and then this lip, this will screw onto the wall like this, so it has a gap, and this will hook under that lip in the back, as I'm assuming what that's for. All right. Tilt that camera up a little bit. Crossbars for the bottom of the legs. Right, this is gonna be the trap. Pretty much standard. Can't unscrew it. Oh yeah, it doesn't screw. I don't know why I'm trying to unscrew this. But can't get it right. Anyway, standard trap. I'm gonna just shove that back in the box. I ain't gonna worry about the plastic. Throw all that in the sink. This is gonna probably be the faucet. What am I doing? This is gonna be the legs. Let's do the legs first. Should be 4 of these in here. It is kind of ripped open. Where is my knife? Okay. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4 legs. Comes with a couple of set screws. Not exactly sure what those are going to be used for. And an Allen wrench. And I'll put the legs in here. Let's put that in the box. last thing we got is probably the faucet. Oh, that's pretty cool. Kind of what it looks like in a picture. So, faucet handle goes into the wall. Cold, hot, etc. Put this back in here. Just to keep it from getting scratched up. Kind of heavy duty. The faucet. A couple of O-rings on there. It's the end of the faucet. It's got a little aerator in there. Connections for the back. A little Teflon tape. I bought some big rolls of Teflon tape. And then these are the connectors that screw onto this on the wall. How the heck are these packaged? Like they're in a Ziploc. There we go. I don't want to lose all this stuff. It's got a like a faucet, water faucet washer right there. Goes on the wall. These will screw into the back of that with some Teflon tape and then connect your water to that. That's pretty much all that's in the box.